Okay guys, welcome to Abhee official. Today I am going to show you how to download IntelliJ IDEA and how to set up that one and how to install it to your MacBook. Okay, let me show it to you guys. Uh, you guys can simply click Google Chrome and open Google Chrome. In here you guys can search IntelliJ IDEA download for Mac. Okay, you guys can simply click in here. This one is IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate one. We have to use IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. In here you guys can download it to your Windows version or MacBook version. I am going to download the macOS version. In here macOS version there are two versions in there, the Intel version and Apple Silicon version. If you guys have a MacBook Intel version, you guys can simply click in here. If you guys have MacBook like M1 or M2, you guys can simply use this version. I am going to use this version too, so I simply click this one. Do it. So it is begin to download. This will take a few minutes. Let's see. After you downloaded that DMG file, you can simply click it in here. Then it will open. Then you can simply drag into your applications that IntelliJ IDEA version. After completing that, you can simply open IntelliJ IDEA. Now I am going to set up IntelliJ IDEA. In this window you can click open. In here I have to accept those conditions, so I simply click in here and click continue button. Okay guys, it's a very easy step. Then you can see welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. We installed IntelliJ IDEA successfully. You can customize your, whether you like dark theme or light theme, or whether you can customize those things. There are several things in here. If you guys want to learn, you can get idea about in here. So projects, if you want to open a new create a new project, you can simply click new project, and then you can enter a name for your project, and whether you can use these languages, Java, Kotlin, likewise. So after filling those things, you can simply click create, then you can create a new project. Okay guys, today I showed you how to download IntelliJ IDEA and how to set up it and how to install IntelliJ IDEA. So guys, we'll meet soon. See you. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you very much.